Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word choad in depth. First, the definition. Choad means a slang term referring to a short, thick penis or an unappealing person. Think of it simply as a humorous and informal descriptor. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Choad traces back to the late 20th century American slang. Over time, it's been used by informal groups and youth culture. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use choad in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. He was teased because of his unusual nickname, Choad, among his friends. Correct example 2. That guy acted like a total choad at the party last night. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to chode the recipe, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using chode correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Chode means a slang term referring to a short, thick penis or an unappealing person. It comes from late 20th century American slang, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with chode down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.